Hello, today our topic is how to log in Gmail account to your phone. So follow me. First of all, open your phone setting, then go to account and scenes, then add account, then second option Google. If you have Google account or Gmail account, you can log in your phone number or email, then password. Do you have Gmail or password? You can log in your Gmail account. If you have not Gmail account, you can create Gmail account. Today our topic, how to log in Gmail account. So we log your Gmail. First of all, click this and write the Gmail or phone number. Then next, wait. Now enter your password. Then next, do you need to show your password? You can click this box. And next, you must have to verify your account. This number send a message and code through this system. Okay, please wait and continue. Verify my Gmail account and I agree. Click this button. So this is my Google account or Gmail account.